Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make a very simple rice recipe for the family on a very lazy day. Yeah, so I start off by washing my rice. I'm using the Jasmine rice, Lily to be specific, and I'm going to wash it 3 different times. Okay, not everybody I think want to wash their rice. So now that washing the rice, and I gave it the last water, and then I added in some salt, not forgetting my oil. This is basically how I prepare my rice, okay? And it turned out very greeny and very nice. Now move on to the next thing, which is the salad I want to make, and there's some cucumber that I want to chop, okay? So I took off the seed. You might decide to just leave the seed or take off the back. And when I got this sizes as well, I went ahead to chop in some tomatoes as well. I took out the seed and I also chop it into the smaller size. Okay, it's optional, but it makes your salad very nice. Now, mind you, when you're doing salad, red onions are the best to use. Okay, it gives a very nice flavor and taste. After which, I went ahead to chop some pepper as well, just a little small. Now, the star ingredients for this recipe or for this salad is avocado. So I went ahead to chop it and it was so soft and nice. I love it. I think I even ate more than what I was supposed to use for the salad. I had two, but some were going bad, so I just had to take out the unwanted ones and then use what I had. Now everything is here, so I'm going to just mix with some oil, which is very important, some black pepper, okay, the powdered one, and then some chili pepper as well. I want the heat in there, and then I also added in some parsley, the dry one, and some lime, which is very important. Lime to neutralize the whole taste and everything. So don't forget to add in your lime. And yeah, I gave this a very good mix. I'm combined them together, and I set this aside using some salt also. I mean, for some taste, okay, if you want the taste of it. Now we are back to check on the rice and look at how beautiful this turned out. It's so greeny, so beautiful, and so soft. I love it. I'm just going to serve myself with this little garnishing. My salad goes in there with some plantain. And then I'll also go ahead and add in some sauces and GIZZARD sauce. And I think I have the recipe somewhere up there. So you want to check out this GIZZARD sauce. It went so well. It's a very simple meal and I bet you want to try it. So on the day that you're feeling lazy to make some recipe or some food for the family, go check this recipe out and try it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. On to the next video. Bye and have a great, wonderful weekend. I love you all.